one of my favorite stamp companies. Their designs are intricate, gorgeous, beautifully thought out. I love the layering stamps, of course, as I'm sure everyone does, because it gives you beautiful results every time with very little work on your end, which is great for us crafters because it means we have more time to craft and create more things.
When you came out with the layering stamps with the florals, I mean, it blew my mind.
I didn't want to think too much on how to combine the inks that I have, and I don't own many inks, and I couldn't make a good match for the layer stamping here. So I try, why not, let's try their inks, and I really love them. I always stamp great roses with them, and you really have to have this stamp set. It's wonderful. They always came up with wonderful stamps, and I really need to order many more.
I was looking for reindeer stamps and unfortunately didn't find anything. Thanks to Google, he gave me a link. Then I pressed this link and I found the reindeer stamps. I was over the moon. I ordered. Then when I found Ramadan stamps, I was over the moon. I was so happy. I couldn't believe that I can find stamps in English and in Arabic for Eid and Ramadan. This is really hard to find.
Everybody loves to get a card. Everybody should be able to get a card, whether you're Jewish or you're Christian or you're Muslim. Hey, it's part of our stamping community to just send cards, to be kind. To me, it caught my attention firsthand because of the design, the interesting diversity, the new innovation within the stamping. It meant a lot to me being a clean and simple style kind of girl. And when I started out stamping, I immediately became very fond of clean and simple, but it was very hard to get stamp sets which fitted that style. And when Altenew came along, it was like the perfect match.
Especially with a lot of things that people are always going on about, or things that people have going on in their life that they just need a pick-me-up, or they just need something to remind them, or something to remind others of how we should treat each other.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!